Hello, welcome to APG.Studio channel. My name is Alicia, fitness and yoga expert, and today another 5-minute yoga. You can do it at home for 5 minutes. So even if you are really busy, just 5 minutes, you can find 5 minutes to stretch your body a little bit. Okay, ready to start right now. So place your feet nice and wide, wider than your shoulders width apart. And try to engage your abdominal muscles, pull them in and try to squeeze your glutes. So you need good stability in the center, your core, your hips area. And now when you inhale, lift your right arm. As you exhale, bend to your left without making any movement from your hips. So the stretch is for your right side, for your spine, for your lower back. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now your left. Inhale, exhale to your right. Feel the stretch now all the way on your left. So try to relax your right shoulder, your right arm, but still control muscles in the center. Inhale, slowly exhale. Maybe 2 more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Now arms to your side, and we're trying to reach left and right. Again, keeping lower body the same position, so we're not trying to reach too far by making movement from your hips. Okay, it's a good stretches today for healthy back, to release any tension in your lower back area. Work for strong spine, strong core muscles. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe just 1 more to your right and to your left. And relax. Okay. Now you need left knee on the floor, right leg is in front of you. You need to place your left hand on your right knee, so it's opposite leg, opposite hand, and you're trying to twist to your right side, keeping again nice and upright position. Great twist for your spine, for your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Squeeze your glutes on your left. That's give you the strength to hold good balance. And 1 more. Inhale, slowly exhale and relax. Okay, now you got left leg front of you. Again, opposite hand on your knee and to your left. Inhale, twist, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, maybe 2 more times. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Now on your 4, hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips. And now we're trying to move your hips, your pelvis, to work for strong core muscles and good mobility in your spine, flexibility in your lower back. So if you got any stiff muscles in this area, you're sitting a lot during the day, this session today is for you. If you know anyone who suffers with back, stiff area or back pain because they're sitting a lot, you can just show them this video, you can send them the link, and they can have all the benefits for themselves as well. It's important when you inhale, toes stuck under, and you're pushing belly down to make this arch in your lower back. And as you exhale, again from your hips, tuck your pelvis under to stretch lower back. Inhale and exhale. Very simple stretches for you, just 5 minutes every day, and after even a week you will feel the difference. And I'm uploading every day new session for you, so you're not getting bored with just one option. Maybe one more. Inhale, slowly exhale, and now your forearms on the floor, and all depends how your muscles in your lower back and glutes. You can just hold your hips higher, or you're comfortable to sit on your feet, but which is not the case. Case is to feel the stretch, and you can rock side to side. If you're enjoying the stretching right now, you can hold it for longer, that's fine, but as I promised, it's gonna be 5 minutes, so I'm going to finish now. So 5 minutes yoga every day, different session, 8 o'clock in the morning London time. So yeah, subscribe, turn on notification, and never miss any video from my channel. So if you enjoyed this one, please give me a thumbs up, and you can leave the comments how you're feeling after the session and how many times you're doing yoga. If it's your first one, or yeah, you just decided to try something new. So thank you for now. Have a lovely day, guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.